Hello guys, and welcome again to the next lesson. We will go over some rendering. First of all, let's get here the strands enabled cylinder and make it 0 here on the maximum tessellation subdivision, because we don't need them for now. Cool. Let's get a shop down here and a rub. And let's set here quick render setup for Redshift. Create a shop in the ROB network. Let's get here in Redshift custom. Let's get here material. So Redshift network and then mat for material. Outlines. Let's get a material in here. Let's get a material node, call this mat. And let's just press Shift W and drag and drop the material in here. Now we need to assign this on the top level. Yeah. Here, go to Redshift Mat Outlines. You need to assign this on the top level for the strands and for particles. Let's get a camera here. And let's get a cool view here, something like. Let's get a wide angle here. So 24. Let's zoom in here. Let's no, maybe something like that, yeah. And now dive out of the camera. Let's use a light here. Let's have a look through the light and place it properly. So the camera is down here. Let's make the light from the left side maybe. Color it in, give it a light bulb shape. Let's call this RS light side. And just fire up the, let's just for now get here quick RS material. And let's hit the render view. And I think the lines are a little bit too thin. Oh no. Go into the camera and yeah, they are too thin. Well, let's just place the light a little bit in another way. Let's go above here. Let's make the lines a little bit bigger. Something like that. Let's get the camera here. Whoops. Let's get a camera. Let's get the focus plane on the first one. Let's copy the focus distance, paste it here into the DOF, paste relative reference. Let's disable the color lookup table for now. And yeah, that was not the problem was the color lookup table. Yeah, way better. So let's get a COC a little bit down, so 0.25. Looks already pretty cool. Let's get here golden material. .5, yeah, 0.45, 0.35, something like that. Let's get a 0,0 radius a little bit more down, so maybe 0.15. Let's move that quickly to the side, and I just play with the light a little bit. That's not bad here. Let's get a little bit bloom in here. And a little flare. Let's go back into the LUT and let's get some default color. Let's get some from the redshift. Maybe some filmic. Yeah. Some ground control LUTs. That looks pretty cool. And this is really heavily desaturated, but pretty cool too. Let's play here a little bit. I like this greenish look. And let's play with, let's get a glass material on top of it, but I think that looks pretty cool. Let's get glass here. And let's make it rough. So this takes a while. Let's get some more samples here going on. And the light needs more samples. Let's get even a little bit global illumination. That looks better. So now to clean the noise in the bokeh you need way more max samples here, but that's a pretty cool decent rendering for now. And it looks pretty cool with the glass. So that's it for this lesson. A little bit R&D rendering. And I will see you in the next chapter with some, yeah, it's abstract point rendering or a little bit galaxy nebula rendering. And a little PDG pipeline for Redshift to put your images out. So I will see you in the next chapter.